Hi guys, this is A Ride with Roland, and ta-da, I'm Roland, and these are the things I hate when riding a motorcycle, so cue the intro. Okay guys, I hear you thinking, what?
What is he saying?
What? Roland, the motor guru, hates things about motorcycles? Impossible! It's impossible! Now I think you also hate those things. So let's run the list and see if I'm right about this. I've got not 5 things. No, I got I got 7 things. See it as 2 bonus irritations. I do them in a logical order, so let's go. Let's hit the first one. You know what I don't like? I don't like putting on all my gear. I don't mind if I'm gonna ride all day, but for a short ride it is just so annoying. And I always ride with proper gear on. That's something you should consider maybe also. I've heard you live longer then. But yes, changing your clothes, put on all your gear for a short ride is just something I don't like. It takes too much time and there is no other option. Riding without proper gear is not an option for me. Maybe there are viewers out there who found a hack for this one. If so, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about that one. The next thing I don't like is all the hustle to get the bike out of the garage, or in my case, the hallway. It's not like with a car, you turn the key and you're good to go. My bikes are in the hallway and I need to perform some serious Chinese circus moves to get the bikes out of my hallway or the garage. I can leave them outside of course, but the weather will kill them and make them ugly, just like me. Or thieves will steal my lovely, precious bikes. And I don't want that of course. It is something that I just hate, especially for a short ride, to do all the hustle to get the bike outside. My third, this is impossible. My irritation point number 3, even after 25 years of riding, I still forget that my keys are in the pocket when I got my gloves already on. And it is mission impossible to take them out of your pockets with your gloves on. Or I totally forget to set up my phone. And of course the gloves won't open the phone. And face recognition is not working with a helmet on. I just keep forgetting those things over and over again. Even after 25 years. I will never learn. Oh, before I forget, if you're new here, this channel is all about motorcycles, adventures and other motorcycle related stuff. So if you do like my content, subscribe and write down in the comments that you subscribed and I will reply to that one. Guarantee. The next thing I hate is when you're riding and you hear that little voice in your head saying, "Look man, this is dangerous." I love riding. I love every mile of it. But for instance, if you read in a newspaper that another biker crashed and died by an accident, then that little voice pops up in my head again. And riding with that little voice in your head takes away a lot of fun. I know it's dangerous. We all know it's dangerous. I just don't like to be reminded every mile of it. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean with this one. But let me know if you do or don't. Heck, I'm just trying to make videos we all understand. The next thing is just something I hate because I'm way too vain. It's a destroyed haircut or hairstyle. I don't know how you call it in English. When you take off your helmet, well, when I take off my helmet, my head is ruined and I look like shit. Don't say I normally also do. But yeah, I cannot be the only one in the world who hates this, right? And what I hate even more is that some of you guys can take off their helmet and it looks still amazing. It is just sitting perfect. Grrr, I hate that. So when you need to go somewhere and you're supposed to look good, with the bike is not my best option then. The next thing I think most riders hate, and it's riding in a strong wind. I can handle the rain. I'm not a big fan of it. Heat, but I don't like riding in strong winds. Especially on the highway, when you're passing trucks and you get that enormous hit when the wind takes over again. And your bike wants to go to destination. With rain, it's even more scary. But strong winds can drive your motorcycle to destinations you didn't know you will be heading to. Some say riding in snow, but to be honest, riding in snow is just a bit stupid. If you love your bike and your life, don't go riding in snow. Use a sledge, that will be fun, not a bike. In snow, your chance to crash is increased by a zillion%. Yeah, and those are officially scientific numbers. Some of you actually like the next thing, but I just hate it. It's cleaning your bike after you've been riding in bad weather. When you have a beautiful bike, you just want to keep it beautiful, right? So when it looks you've been driving to the sewers and shit, you want to bring it back to the way it was before. Some people love it, but not me. I want to do it as quick as possible. But I do love the result when it's done. A nice, shiny bike again. Those are the 7 most things I hate when riding a motorcycle. But I'm curious if you have other things that you hate that I did not mention in this video. So if you do, let me know in the comments below. And remember, subscribe if you want to hang out with the cool people. I'll see you all next time. Stay safe.